The secret to the road of 8 figures, millions of dollars in affiliate marketing, and I'm going to sum it up in one sentence. If you're new to the channel, hit the bell, subscribe, and like. It'll help us with the algorithm, and you won't miss out on useful info like what's about to come out right now. And I promise you, you're not going to hear this anywhere else. You're not going to get the value that you're getting on this channel because you have a direct link to me if you choose to pull the trigger and take advantage of it. So in my career, just so you understand, I've generated over 8 figures, and it wasn't easy. In the beginning, it was very confusing, but you know what it all boils down to? It's simple. Google, Facebook, and I'm not talking about pay-per-click advertising and all these things, are teaching you guys how to do any of this at all. Quite the opposite. I'm talking about automation. You see, the reason why the big companies are so wealthy is because they understand that data is the value. Data is the master. So when you go look for an affiliate program and you say to yourself, well, I want to make a lot of money, so I want to get involved in a high ticket offer. Well, it sounds logical and fine, and it makes a lot of sense, right? Because the higher the price, then the more that you potentially can make because somebody's paying more, not less. The truth of the matter is, it's not the high ticket offer that's going to make you the money, and it is essential. So don't mean to confuse you, but I want to reverse engineer how you're going to become successful and what that secret is to millions of dollars, literally like that. Because once you know the secret, you know which way to run. And when you know which way to run, you know which way to perfect your skills, what direction you need to point all your power into. So I'm not going to talk and go on for many, many minutes here trying to draw out the video. I'm just going to tell you what the secret is, and then I'm going to explain to you what it is I'm talking about. So look, simply put, the big companies are wealthy: Facebook, Google, Bing, Yahoo, because of data. Now, they're wealthy because of you, because you're the product. I'm the product. Anyone who's a user of the internet is the product. So what I want to do for you is I want to reverse engineer things just like I do for all my clients. I'm going to give you a piece of the data market because your high ticket offer is useless if you don't have a database. So if you're either involved in affiliate marketing or you're looking to get involved in affiliate marketing or high ticket offers, you need to do the reverse engineering first. What does that mean? You need to build a database. What we do is we build databases for our clients, and this way the traffic is generated into leads. And those leads, those converted responses, are then called. We make thousands of phone calls for you every single month. My firm will do that for you to filter out the better leads and then get them to you. So it's that simple. You need to know how to build a database or connect yourself in the right direction where the database is built for you, have a lot of phone calls made to those responses to filter out the better data, and then get automation working for you. So it's not about running to find the right program to get involved in so that you have the right offer. It's about building that audience, and building that audience, meaning not any audience, but the right audience. And once you do this, you've reverse engineered, you've cracked the code, and you've found a quick way to millions, the quickest way possible, instead of doing it backwards and looking for the offers. And if you want to look no further, just look at big tech. What does Facebook, Google do? They build data. What does Yahoo and Bing do? They build data. What does LinkedIn do? They build and collect data. So sometimes the obvious, most of the time, if you know where to look, is right in front of you. Happy marketing. Don't forget to get in touch and hit the bell for some free leads and subscribe. And you can go to our sister site, PageViewsNow as well. .com, pageviewsnow.com. Pump in your email for free, and we'll send you some free responses. See you soon.